Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think about this one? It's the latest in my new series, which I'm calling Complementary Mosaics. My personal brief has been to use as few colours as possible in the palette of the mosaic, which makes it look rather simple, but in fact it's actually quite difficult to pull off and achieve. This one is about orange, of course, and I've made these cute little marini to go at the end of the coral. The fish is a Celador green and a streaky French vanilla. I didn't want it to compete, so I've made it a little bit subdued. And then the background is the really dark iridized green. So it's all allowing and contributing to this orange really singing out from the background. William Ward has used the tulip wood again for the frame, which I really like. Simple frame, but lovely and clean. I really like it. Anyway, here's the accompanying verse. Orange coral. If you choose to go swimming deep underwater, my advice, well, I think you ought to, remember that old sagely moral and try to avoid the jaggedly coral.